Hi, and thanks for visiting Coastal Custom Wine Cellars. We're going to talk today a little bit about the single bottle storage racks. Single bottle storage racks dominate the wine cellar environment typically. I mean, certainly there's other ways to store wines in diamond bins and rectangular bins and wood case storage racks and lots of horizontal displays. But for the most part, single bottle storage racks dominate the wine cellarage in your wine room. There's a smaller bottles, so some of you may collect the splits or the half bottles, and we indeed offer individual openings specifically for those bottles. As you can see here, the interior dimension of that cubicle is 3 inches by 3 inches. Our standard size opening, this is available not only in our custom series, but also in our semi-custom line of racks in 6, 7, and 8 foot heights. But our standard size opening, I refer to it as a universal opening, for our 750 milliliter bottles is the inside or interior dimensions is 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. This means that you can store most of today's marketplace, all the bottles in the 750 milliliter range in our opening. This is again a standard. It's you got to be careful. There's some manufacturers out there who don't offer this universal option. They'll have different sizes, and if you're not careful, you'll find that some of your collection may or may not fit into that actual opening. We have a champagne size opening, where the actual interior dimensions are a little bit larger. It's 4 1/4 inches by 4 1/4 inches. And indeed, there are some fat bottles out there, if you will. There's for example, a Dom Perignon wine bottle. If you have a collection of those, you would need to include in your design and in your wine cellar the Champagne Custom Standard size. Many folks indeed have a number of magnums or the 1.5 liter bottles. The interior dimensions of that individual opening are posted here. You can see it's 4 1/2 inches by 4 1/2 inches. We can even accommodate the 3 liter, the double magnum bottle, in a standard niche opening. The interior dimensions are 5 1/2 by 5 1/2. As we mentioned earlier, there's also other ways to store the wines. We've got a 13 inch by 13 inch diamond bin storage. This is a great management tool because you can store a case or 12 bottles or any number of bottles to help you manage your wine cellar. So again, hope this helps you understand a little bit about the different sizes that are available in the marketplace, and indeed how Coastal Custom Wine Cellars likes to offer their wine storage solutions and our options. Thanks for stopping by. Cheers.